my God, guys. Not one, but two. And look at this one, guys. It's a glutinous rice with pork.
Nakurong ka ba? Bakal.
Ko ang balat, guys. Ang lutong. Pulang-pula. Ay, kalame. Kalame. Oh my God. Sarap. Ara lang akong ulamas. Mao man na ilami, guys. Ay, lami kayo ang balat, guys. Ako mauna. Oh. Did you hear that?
Unas pagid kayo, nakablog tayo.
Ay, narinig nyo yan. It's so crunchy. Ooh. Crunchy, crunchy, guys. Super. What? So crunchy, guys. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mukbang dito na tara ni ako niya. Oh my God. So sarap, guys. Pero kung magdugay siya, nagakunat ng panet niya, no?
Oo, kung mabahaw.
Dapat kayo nang sa init, eh.
Pero ari resort ni dugay pa ni mga kani.
Dugay pa ni mabahaw?
Ano?
Birthday! Happy birthday! Bahin na dahil. Ayan.
In the Philippines, 5 times eat rice a day. Kasi sinini madam ko, no, not good.
Rice is life, guys.